Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Space Q45 with the Sony ULT, I don't know how to call that, and we're going to look on the differences. So let's start right now with the battery life. So the playtime right here is 65 hours with the ANC off and 50 hours with ANC on. When we're going to look here on here is going to be the 30 hours ANC on, well, let's say active headphones, and 50 hours ANC off. So in this regard, like Q45 is just much better regards that. Now, another really more important thing is that you're not getting the fast charging with Sony ULT. I tried to search for it and I just couldn't find the information anywhere if there is going to be also like a fast charging. So I tried out if you can actually find the answer if it has, but I didn't find it any. So therefore I see that it doesn't have it. So no fast charging. Also connectivity connected 5.3, the Bluetooth. Here with Sony, you're gonna have Bluetooth 5.2. Another really important thing that I wanted to share, and this is going to be interesting, is that just let me show you right here. Yes, the supported audio codecs with Q45 you have ULT, but with the Sonys you are going to have SBC, AAC and LDAC. So these are just like important things that I perceive as important, and that's what I wanted to share in this video. This was like a quick effective for you regards the like differences, and I hope it helped you. So have a great day and goodbye.